Take this one out. Come here. Okay. No, he gonna help me here. Sir, this way here. Come. Let's take this one out because the way it is very funny. Okay, come take this one out. Take the piece here out. Let's see why the car no cranking. Because I don't believe two computers is bad. Okay, take this one out. If there is a water here, we have to deal with the water first. They have this car, they brought it in and they brought the computer. We cloned the computer and still the car doesn't crank. You know, like you try to crank it, no signal. Also, we need to check here. Maybe you see here, this is clock. That means water getting here. Water can get in here, yeah. I feel like water getting into it here, because look here. This is that means water can go from here inside, raise and shut down the whole signals. Before we go crazy, this is a computer that we change it. Let us just do a visual inspection. You open it?
Yeah.
Everything? The mat too? The mat. Let me show it, yes. How it is? It's dry or you have water? Okay, you see here? This is water. So the car, our problem is not a computer problem. You see? Okay, this one. This is, okay, you see here? Open here. Open this place, we're gonna check something. So as long as you have this water. Okay, you see this one here? Hello? Sir,
Yeah.
take this one. Take this complete out. Or just open here. Open this place here. I want to see there is some communication line here. We're gonna see it. Okay. So this car computer is good. Only the problem is the.
Okay.
Look at it. Also this side. Also this, you're gonna take the gas pedal out. The gas pedal, take it out. Take the whole piece out. We gotta check those connectors, and then we take it from there. Here, look here. You see this? Come here. You see here? There is a place here that drop water. Come here. So here, go down. This one clogged. Now there is another one. You take it out. Okay. You see here? You see here? There is one here, but this is a worse one here. You see this? You see this?
Yeah.
The water raise here, come here, and from here rush into the car, and also the two on the windshield. So
right.
after you take the gas pedal out, take all this out. You're gonna take the 1, 2, 3, or 4, the communication line. Also, you gotta take this one out. Turn it upside down. Sometimes water get into it and then raise and kill this one.
Okay.
If it's dead, you have to. If it's dead, it's no good. Give me the part number. I want to see if I have one for you.
Okay.
This one here, don't let water go into it. It's also open. I didn't put no screw in it.
Okay.
They're coming.
Okay. Déjalo ahí.
¿Mm?
Le vamos a hacer ahora.
Okay. I want to see one thing too. Tell him, let's open here. Can you? Okay, you see here? You see here? Give me a flathead screwdriver. I just want to open this.
Oh, it's right there. In your right hand.
Okay. Those wire. You see, we don't need no water, no humidity, no nothing here. So you're gonna take the piece itself. It have a number here.
Okay.
It have a number here. You're gonna take the number and give it to the dealer. Don't go by VIN number. You have to go with the VIN number and then also with the part number that is stick on the side of it. Dry completely, nothing in there. Have to be dry, perfect. Other side, here side, and you have to fix the drainers